sorry, we're recording on the Osmo Pocket and it's a bit, I'm at arm's length here trying to get us both in the screen. Good morning, welcome to Italy. We are in the city of Taranto, not Toronto, Taranto.
Mm-hmm.
First time we've ever been here, isn't it?
Yep.
So
Yep.
we are taking an excursion today to the, what's the excursion called? The white town of
Ostuni, yeah.
Ostuni. So we're looking forward to that. Never been there. Different part of Italy that we've ever explored before. The heel of Italy, if you like. So we're going to head out shortly to get our coach. Just had breakfast. Very busy today, wasn't it?
Yeah, it seemed to be this morning. Yeah.
Yeah. We had a nice evening last night. Ate in the main dining room. Went to see a show.
We did, for a change.
Electric Avenue it was called. It was all, what drew us to it, because we don't normally go to many shows, was that it was 80s music, which is our era really.
Yes.
It was a bit hit and miss, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually.
The first act, I thought, oh,
we'll be going soon.
we'll be going, but then it got better.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah,
it
there's
did.
some really good stuff in there. So just if you go to see it, just stick with it. It's good.
Yeah.
Very energetic dancers and singers. I found some of the dancing was a bit sus.
Yeah.
They weren't in time.
No.
But they were giving it their all, which is the main thing.
Yeah.
So we enjoyed that, and then we I think we went back to the Blue Bar.
Yeah.
For the rest of the evening. We had room service as well.
We had munchies, didn't we?
We got the munchies, and there was nowhere really. Well, there was nowhere else.
No, there's nowhere else.
So we
Or
ordered
at midnight.
We ordered a midnight snack of pizza and croque
monsieur. Very reasonable, very good, very quick service.
How much did that go?
£8.40 in total.
Yeah, not bad. Less than you pay in probably a kebab shop in the UK.
And there's no delivery charge.
No, that's good. A lot of cruise ships are doing that now, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we enjoyed that, then we went to bed, now we're up and ready to rumble.
Yep.
So thanks for watching, we will see you later.
Bye.
Bye.